Hey guys, if you make a common mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs that you may actually not need. Make sure you stay until the end, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Ram, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2018. If you need to find, guys, where the fuse for the instrument cluster is located, 3 fuses you will need to check. Stay with us, we'll explain about that, where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix anything like engines, transmission, codes, fuses, bodywork, all that stuff. Why we do all that? Because our mission as a shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. On this channel, guys, specifically, we will be making a video about every single fuse, every single relay on that Dodge Ram. And let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your fuel pump fuse goes bad. All we have to do, find our video, watch it for a minute or two, replace that fuse, you're back on the road. So we do that, guys, to help you as much as we can. Also, we have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. So guys, the instrument cluster fuses, where you can find them, we will demonstrate on this generation Dodge Ram here. What you need to do, open the hood. Once you open the hood on the driver's side, guys, you see that's your car battery here. Right in front of it you have that box. That's your main engine fuse box. That cover, it has 2 tabs. Press them, it will open. On the inside you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So guys, here for the instrument cluster, 3 fuses will need to be checked. Make sure you stay until the end. We want to share, guys, one good advice so you don't end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like we did. The first fuse that we need to check is fuse number 49. Then you need to check another one. Here, that's fuse 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. That fuse here will need to be checked. Then, you need to check fuse number 88. It's that fuse right here. Now, you guys have all kinds of different fuses. Relays, we always recommend to keep some spare ones in your glove box. One time we needed a replacement one, we couldn't get it, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere. So always keep some spare ones. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.